Hello watcher and subscriber and my dear student. So here in this tutorial I tell you how you can create a small story between the sprites. So we will see some new concept also that can be used in your coming project. So here I have already added 3 sprites and the background because as per my information you already learn how you can create your own sprite. And here I have downloaded this sprite I have downloaded from internet, and these 2 sprites are already present here in this application. So I would like to create a code for each sprite. So this is my first sprite, and in the code section in the event I would like to add the flag. So I click on this flag, something will happen. So I want to add the voice through text to speech. It is one of the effective option. So I add this. So hello. So that sprite will speak hello. Hello, how are you, my friends? So we just check it out.
Hello, how are you, my friend? Hello, how are you, my friend?
And here I add set voice to. Now I'm checking it.
Hello, how are you, my friend?
So then if you want you can
Hello, how are you,
change
my friend?
this option also. Suppose I want third one.
Hello, how are you, my friend?
So then after adding a particular text to speech, you can go into the second sprite. This is actually this picture wise this is my second sprite. And in this sprite, that sprite should laugh. Okay, so in the sound section, actually in the look section, I would like to add costumes. And in the control section I have to use that repeat block. So if I click here, as it is laughing, so in place of this 10 I want suppose 4. And weight section I would like to add. So in the control there is a weight. So weight timing should be very less, and laughing sound should be also there. So in the sound section there is a start sound option, and in this sound there is a only pop, but that I don't want. So in this sound section you have to search the sound. Here I want laughing related sound, so I just check out that one. I So many sounds are there, so I would like to add suppose this one. And once you add, then go into the code section, and here there is a laugh one, so I just check coding. So this laughing part is over. So when that girl speaks something,
Hello, how are you, my friend?
so and this sprite should laugh when you click on that sprite. So in the event section, if I add this, now we see from starting.
Hello, how are you, my friend?
Now for the third person, that is Motu, his size should be increased like that. So I just click there in the coding section, and in the coding section I am going into the look section. So this value I want. Second one I want -10, means that Motu size should be changed. And some repetition I would like to add. And along with that some sound I would like to put. So here some options are there. Play sound I want. So here in the play sound there is a record option. So here in the sound category, I want to add some specific sound. So in the loft category, some sounds are there. So I just checking it suitable sound. So that is okay for my project. So now I check this code. First upon in the event category, I have to add when this sprite is clicked. So I just click out. So sound that I would like to select from here, loft 2. Now I am just clicking. Okay, so it's looking perfectly now. This is my small animated story. So once that sprite will talk, these two second sprite will laugh only, and third sprite size will be increased. So in cartoon section it generally happen. So now here I would like to add at the end one statement. In the text to speech I am going. So at the last he will say something. Now again I check this by clicking it here.
Fine.
Or you can add this statement in between also if you want. Like suppose I add it here. Now we will check it out.
Fine.
So this is your small story, and here we have added the three sprites, and there is a small communication between them. So in this way you can create the cartoon story. So we again check
Hello,
it
how are
out.
you, my friend?
Fine.
So in this way you can do some animation for the cartoons. So as we have seen new things here, how the sprite is laughing and how the sprite size is changing, and along with that he is talking also. So I hope, dear student, you understood something new in this tutorial and you can use it whenever you will switch on your own project. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.